This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Matt back here with us for his final visit here. Now, yesterday was the city of Houston basically shut Houston down. We couldn't get out on the freeways and come in and see Matt. But this will be the 6th treatment that Matt has had, and he's had 2 lumbar spine surgeries, ESI injections, chiropractors, and even acupuncture, you said?
Yes.
Done on your low back, and what kind of relief have you had here this week compared to all those other things put together?
It's amazing. The second ring dinger, I felt everything go back to normal, and after that, everything has just
been pretty smooth sailing from there.
Been progressing, a little bit of aching, but
normal soreness, so
yeah,
like working out.
Yeah, it seemed like all that should go away.
Well, you came all the way here from California.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people watch this out there wondering, is it really worth the trip?
Oh yeah, it's worth it. It's if you're in pain, you know what it feels like, and you do anything to get rid of it.
And you took a chance and stepped out on this faith.
Mm-hmm. And I came out. I was like, oh well, it ain't that far. And when you start putting it all together, it's not that big a deal to come fly out here and get this done.
Plus, we have 3 hotels around us that we have special rates at for people. The Hyatt North Houston, Marriott North Houston, and the Hilton North Houston. All have special rates for our patients coming in from out of town or out of the country. And we also provide transportation to and from the airport and to and from to our office as well, except for the Hyatt, which is right across the street, which most people walk. So Matt, let's show them how we got you better this week. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, and then neutral.
I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because while he was walking around, I didn't even move the video.
You can tell Renee's back on the camera. Alright, so we're going to do one final ring dinger on you today, Matt. This is his 2nd one of the day, and yes, it's okay to do multiple ones a day. I'm not damaging any joints or tissues. The thing that gets the most sore after this is that's actually where the pins are touching the iliac crest. Their hips there, top of their hips. I got mine done today, so I'm 110% now. Still not much on the reflexes here before. Okay. Good. Just like that. Yes, sir.
Oh, every time.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
I see you actually got a little reflex on that. Yep. That's a little better. Still not great, but at least we know you're not dead. There you go.
Put that in my hands.
Mm-hmm. It's because the nerves that come out of your neck go out through your shoulder all the way down in your hands. It's called the cervical brachial plexus. Mm-hmm. Feels like the blood flowing in, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's come over here. Now, if you remember, look back at Matt's first video we did on Monday. You can see him all bent forward and to the right. He was in antalgic posture. And that's basically cleared up since the very first day. And you're not having that shooting pain down your leg now, right?
No.
Yep, that's still a little sore right there. There. Oh, yeah. Okay. Slide down just a little bit for me, please. Matt's got a heavy head this afternoon. He's got a lot on his mind. There we go. There. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Good. Okay, slide down this way a little bit more. And let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. Good. There we go. That's it. Should have felt that all the way up.
Yeah.
There we go. Good. Okay, slide back up that way just a little bit because I'm going to work on that psoas muscle. More. By the way, that's spelled P-S-O-A-S, not so-ass, S-O-S. The psoas muscle is the hip flexor. Now I'm out here right now, right on top of his tensor fascia lata muscle, which is right over his actual hip joint. Those are still pretty tender, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's one of those hurt so good treatments. There we go. Didn't hurt me a bit. Okay. I have to say, you've been a real trooper with those this week, Matt. There's a lot of people fly off the tables when I stick my elbows in that deep. You probably felt like it a couple times,
Oh, yeah.
or hit me back. Here, you down there and let me stick my elbow in you. I get a lot of offers for that. If I knew how to do it, I'd do it too.
My hand's all sweaty now.
Yeah, that's autonomic nervous system function. There we
Was that his elbow?
Yep. Oh yeah, we're popping everything.
Yeah, the elbow's been noisy.
Yep. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror. Okay, let's have you close your eyes again. Wow. That's just amazing looking at your posture now compared to the first day. Still just come back and left, yep. It's more your head translated to the right than it is your whole body tilting to the right now.
I noticed that.
There. Okay, try that same thing again. So, if you had to, just off your gut, if somebody was to come up and say, on a 0 to 100% scale this week, how much better are you from Monday when you
100% better. I could go running now. I go back to work. I could do everything. Sleep.
Did you say 100%?
100%. 100%.
That's wonderful. I'm really happy for you. I
100%.
want to thank you very much for sharing that.
Just a little bit of soreness, but I've told.
Hey, it's like working out. You gotta get sore.
I've told plenty of people already to get down here and let him fix you up.
Well, thank you.
I'm sure I'll be back for a tune-up.
Yeah.
Maybe 6 months or something down the road, but.
Yeah, we referred some people in Northern California that came here out to my mentor out there in Auburn, and they called us up and told us that they still wanted to come back here to Texas, get adjusted by me. So I won't be referring any more people out to my mentor. You're just going to have to come back here to Houston.
Yeah.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we try to get people feeling better so they can get back to living their lives 100%. We'll see y'all soon.